Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the most common questions about managing your crypto wallets, transferring USDT, and monetizing your digital assets. If you're dealing with wallets like OKX or SafePal and need help using your recovery phrase, this is the video for you. Let's break it all down step by step so you can secure and transfer your funds safely. Alright, so you have TRC20 USDT in your OKX wallet and you also have your recovery phrase. Here's how you can transfer your funds to Binance safely. First, export your wallet to a supported application. Download a wallet app that supports TRC20 tokens, like Trust Wallet or Token Pocket. Open the app and select Import Wallet. Enter your recovery phrase to restore your OKX wallet in this new app. Next, access your USDT balance. Once your wallet is imported, ensure your USDT TRC20 tokens appear under the wallet balance. If not, add the TRC20 USDT token manually by using the Tron contract address. Then get your Binance deposit address. Open your Binance app or website. Navigate to Wallet, then Deposit, and select USDT. Choose the TRC20 network and copy the deposit address. Finally, send USDT from your wallet. Go back to your wallet app, select USDT and click Send. Paste the Binance TRC20 deposit address and confirm the transaction. Be sure to check the network fees before sending to ensure you have sufficient TRX to cover the transfer fees. And that's it. Within minutes, your USDT should appear in your Binance wallet under the TRC20 network. Next, if you're wondering how to extract your USDT from an OKX wallet using a recovery phrase, here's what you need to do. First, import the wallet to a compatible app. Download a multi-chain wallet like Trust Wallet, Exodus, or MetaMask, with a Tron extension. Choose Import Wallet and enter your recovery phrase exactly as it's written. Then view your funds. After importing, your wallet will sync and you should see your TRC20 USDT balance. Finally, transfer to another wallet or platform. If you want to move the funds elsewhere, follow the same process we discussed earlier. Get the destination wallet's address, initiate the transfer, and confirm the transaction. Always double-check the network fees and ensure you have enough TRX to cover them. Here's another common question. I have an OKX wallet holding USDT and my seed phrase. How can I transfer them into another wallet? Let me walk you through it. First, use your seed phrase. Import your OKX wallet into a secure app that supports TRC20 tokens. Trust Wallet, MetaMask with a Tron extension or Token Pocket are great options. Next, ensure you have TRX for fees. TRC20 transactions require a small amount of TRX to cover fees. If you don't have any TRX in your wallet, you'll need to transfer some before you can send USDT. Finally, send your USDT. Once your wallet is set up, select USDT, click Send, and input the destination address. For example, if you're transferring to Binance or another wallet, use the TRC20 deposit address for that platform. Double-check everything and confirm the transaction. This process ensures your funds are secure and transferred successfully. If you have a SafePal wallet with TRC20 USDT and your recovery phrase, here's how to transfer your funds to Binance. First, import your wallet into SafePal. If you don't have the SafePal app set up already, download it and import your wallet using the recovery phrase. Next, find your USDT. Ensure your TRC20 USDT is visible in the wallet. If not, add the TRC20 USDT token by searching for its contract address. Then transfer to Binance. Open your Binance app, go to Deposit, select USDT, and choose the TRC20 network. Copy the deposit address and paste it into the Send section of your SafePal wallet. Confirm the transaction, and your funds will be on their way to Binance. Lastly, if someone transferred TRC20 USDT to your wallet and you want to monetize it, here's the plan. First, secure access to your wallet. Import the wallet using your recovery phrase into a trusted app like Trust Wallet or SafePal. Next, convert USDT to fiat currency. Transfer your USDT to an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. On Binance, you can trade USDT for your local currency, like USD, EUR, etc., and withdraw to your bank account. Lastly, consider alternative use cases. You can also use your USDT to invest in cryptocurrencies, stake for rewards, or make purchases where USDT is accepted. Just remember, keep your recovery phrase private and never share it with anyone to ensure your funds stay safe. And that's a wrap. If this video helped clear things up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Drop your questions in the comments, and we'll tackle them in future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the channel.